Alright, YouTubers, cooking time. We have this to go under the cutting board so it won't slide around. And we have organic chicken. I'm going to cut it up. Take some of the fat off it. Alright. And dice it. To the copper chef. Another one. Put that into the trash. It's nothing fancy, but something a little different and new. I didn't go all crazy, spending a lot of money on organic. I paid a little bit more than regular, but it had a coupon that made it really close to normal, so I went with it. I would wish that I used organic chicken more often, but sometimes, like a lot of people, it's the price that gets me. So we're just dicing that up. Alright, that's in. Get this out of the way. Wash my hands because, you know, chicken guts. Time for the induction cooktop. Plug that sucker in. Medium low. Start it up. Put it in there. I'm going to do some olive oil. Check this out, people that watch a little bit. This is sriracha-free cooking. Alright? Alright. So just olive oil in that, and we'll let that go for a bit. We'll come on back. Okay. Coming along. Cooking it slow, cooking it slow. Okay. So I've browned that chicken up a little bit. And now I'm going to take a different ethnic flavor. I found this. This is actually from Aldi's. This is yogurt and harissa. It is a Moroccan style. So I'm going to simmer this. We're going to do it over rice. I'll leave a little of it out, maybe for the rice. Mix it all up real well. Oh, it smells nice. Again, Copper Chef really thin pans. You're going to bang it on this handle. And I got it running at about 175 and just going to let it simmer for a bit. Come back. You want a close-up, don't you? See? Looks pretty good. The difference about being up here in the UP now, as of this summer, it gets dark a lot earlier. Oh, that smells really good. It's about done. Oh, that smells good. I'm going to dump it on some rice. Again, that's Moroccan yogurt and harissa. Yum. Alright, taste test time. Let's see what Aldi's has to offer. Oh, I like that. I think that's pretty good. I got a thumbs up. Have a great and wonderful day. Yum.